Christmas morning. It's 5 degrees below zero, but with the wind cutting across the industrial estate it feels closer to 14 below. The kind of cold that makes everything slow down and fall silent for a while. The streets are empty, the buildings are dark, and for a moment it feels like the whole place is frozen in time. And just like so many creators who use these rare, quiet moments to make something of their own, I decided to step outside early and capture a piece of this morning before the world wakes up. The drone is already in the air, its small light cutting through the darkness above downtown American motorcycles. My shop now, once my parents', the place where I spend most of my days building, fixing, creating, and dreaming. The camera is ready in my hand as I add the faint sound of sleigh bells, just a touch, to give this frozen morning a little Christmas spirit. The horizon slowly shifts from black to deep blue, the first hint of daylight brushing against the rooftops of the industrial estate, giving everything that calm, cinematic stillness you only get on mornings like this. After a few slow passes over the workshop and the surrounding buildings, I bring the drone back down. Walk to the door, open it, and step inside. The workshop is quiet, the air still cold, and in the corner sits an engine block with a few Christmas lights draped over it. Simple, understated, but somehow exactly enough. To all makers, builders, and creators, and to all hikers, riders, and bikers out there enjoying the road, the trails, or the silence. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone!